We have a product we're reviewing. It's a detachable, rechargeable fan. Comes in black and yellow, 20,000 milliamps. That is two 10,000 milliamp batteries, USB-A, USB-C charging. The USB-A is your power support. You plug in a cable and you simply can take your camera with the USB-C side, plug it in, and you're going to see a indicator blinking right over here. You can also charge your smartphone. You have a USB-A to USB-C cable that they give you, and you can take a USB-C cable and you could charge up the battery by the USB-C port. You have three LED indicators. They're at 33%, three levels, 33, 66, and 100%. After so many seconds, these white soft lights will go out, but they will stay on when you plug it into the back of the unit and running it. What you're going to do is slide it in like so. You can see how it has a notch, and inside is a USB-A cable. You're going to give a nice firm slide. You're going to listen for the click. And this lights up over here. And you are going to hit the fan. You have a light. And there's the fan on the lowest speed. And this will run for up to 86 hours, depending on just the fan alone. If you have the light on, it's going to consume more power. You can hit the light for the medium brightness and a bright light and shut it off altogether. After 30 seconds, the fan light will rest, will shut off. You cannot long press this to shut off. You have to go through the second mode, the third mode, the fourth mode, and off. That is how you rotate. After so many seconds, this light will go out. The fan will rotate down just a little bit and rotate back up to about 185 degrees. Now, if you want to rotate it 360 degrees, then you just put it back like so, turn it upside down, you have a hook, you pull the hook out, and it's going to go into a gear type 360 degrees, so you can get anywhere you want 360 degrees. Now, you put the hook back by going sideways and snapping it firmly. And the light is off after, like I said, about 30 seconds or so. If you need to clean the fan, take a vacuum cleaner, clean it. There are screws in the back. You can take it off, take everything out, and do a general cleaning once in a blue moon. Now, if you don't use this fan for a certain amount of time, like a couple of months, what you want to do is refresh the batteries, charge them up, and put them to the side, all in a dry place. This is a nice fan. It's got a small handle. It's lightweight. It has an aromatherapy that you turn clockwise. You could put some citronella in there, and that'll keep the bugs and mosquitoes away, blowing some fresh smell. I hope you enjoy your retractable, rechargeable 86 plus hour fan. Depending on how much you use it, how long you use it, when you're out there, you got no power, and you want to run something like a camera, a phone with the cable, you can do so. You simply take the cable, again, you plug it in. You see the lights are on there and they're charging different things when you plug in your phone, your camera, and so forth. You got a lot to do with this retractable, rechargeable 20,000 milliamp fan. I hope you enjoy your product if this is what you are looking for.